Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm go ahead and introduce the newest products on my right hand. This is a mini pancake cookers. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit space, it is about like a 14 inches wide, and include the switchers front to the back is about like a 15 inches. And the overall height of the unit is about like a 7 and 1/4 inches tall. So we can see they have a small cooking areas. And each of the lanes, they're having about like a 6 small pancake space for cooking. And for this cooking area, it is about like a 12 inches by 12 inches. And each of the diameters, it is about like a 1 and 3/4 inches. And we can see the front, they have a temperature adjusters, power switchers, and they do having the timers right here. Also, they do have the indicator lights. From the behind, we can see the units using the 110 voltage stickers on it, and from the manufacturer, they give you the standard 110 plugs. So that's what will be the all demonstration information about these products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.